Hello students, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to explain you a very simple program in Python which take input of a number and check whether the number is Armstrong or not. Armstrong number is a special number which all the digits cube of that particular number and the addition of all those cube will be equal of this number. Here I have started my program with def, that means defining my function. Armstrong is the function which will take that particular number as parameter. Temp is a variable which will hold the value of x and helps us to fetch each and every digit safe in the number. Num is another variable which helps us to find out the cube of all the numbers and to find the addition of all those cube. Now I have started my while loop. While temp is not equals to 0. So when we fetch all the digits from the temp, it will become 0. That means we will be out of the loop. Here num is equals to num plus r, two asterisk sign I have kept. So one asterisk sign means the multiplication symbol, and if I have kept two asterisk sign, that means this is symbol for the power. So here I am finding out cube of r. Now see in the next line, temp double means two division sign I have kept here. So why this is I have kept two division sign? Because if I will keep only one division symbol, it will give the value in floating point. The floating point value will be saved into temp. But I don't want here that floating point value. I want simple integer value. That's why I have kept two division symbol here. Last here I have written return statement. Return num is equals to x. So num is equals to x is the relational symbol which will give output as a true or false. If the num, that means the cube and addition of all the digits, will be same of that old number, the result will be true, and if it is not same, the result will be false. If the result is true, that means our number is Armstrong number. If the result is false, that means the number is not an Armstrong number. Now I have taken here means my function is completed. This function is Armstrong function is completed here. Now I will take input of any number inside x. So input function helps us to take input of a function, and int function helps us to convert it into integer format and will save into x. Now I have written Armstrong function inside print function. Why? Because when we get return this result, this boolean value will directly get printed here. Armstrong x, that means I am calling my Armstrong function and passing the variable we have just taken input. I have taken input in x value and that x I am passing here. Now when we run this program, we will see a message like this, enter any number. So now I am going to enter a number, suppose 120, press enter. So false, it will give us false because this number is not an Armstrong number. I will run it again. 1 minute. I'll run it again. So when I run this again and I will enter 153 and then enter true. So that means 153 is an Armstrong number. So hope you have understood this video. This is a very simple program. By practicing these small and simple programs, you are able to make more complicated programs in Python programming language. So keep practicing and keep watching my videos. If you have liked this video, please don't forget to press like button and share my videos so it will help any other students to learn this programming. Thank you so much.